Alright, so sometimes when we describe what we think may be a triangle, we could actually be wrong. It may not be possible. So let's take a look at an example where we can discover that using the law of sines. So here I've described a triangle where angle A is 28 degrees, side B is 12, side A is 5, and I know I can use my law of sines because I've got angle A and side A, so I've got a matching pair, and then I have one other piece of information. So using the law of sines, the first thing I'll do is have to find the other half of this. So I'll try to find angle B first. Okay? And so to set this up, since I'm going to solve for an angle, I'm going to set it up with my angles on top. So I'll have sine of angle B over side B, which is 12, equals the sine of angle A, sine of 28 degrees, over side A, which is 5. And now I'll try to solve this equation for side B. So I'll multiply both sides by 12 first. The 12's cancel, giving me sine of B equals 12 sine of 28 degrees over 5. And now I will take the sine inverse of both sides. And so angle B is going to be the sine inverse of 12 times the sine of 28 degrees over 5. So make sure to take the inverse sine of all of this with your calculator in degree mode. And you'll see that you get some sort of error, and that's because there is no angle whose sine value is all of this. Okay, so this angle is not possible, meaning the triangle that was described is not possible. So there is no solution for the described triangle. Now let's look at a picture for this. Alright, I'm going to draw sort of a reference side here. We don't know how long it is, so let's say that this is must be side C, right? Because we know side B and side A. Angle A is 28 degrees, so let's put that like right here. Side B is 12, so since the bottom is going to be side C and we don't know how long it is, we'll put it here. And side B is length 12. Side A is length 5. And so you can imagine if side A is only length 5, it's not long enough to come down and touch this third side, so it does not form a triangle. And that's the reason this set of criteria does not lead to a valid sort of triangle, and we saw it using inverse sine, and our calculator gave us a math error.